Woman asked me a question recently that broke my heart. She's in her late 20s, 3 years sober, working her butt off, not hurting anyone, paying her bills. She's in therapy, taking responsibility for everything she did wrong in her life. She said, "Eric, what if I've really changed, but nobody believes me?" For 9 years, she lived a life she did not love, not proud of. Drugs and alcohol, lying, stealing, burning those bridges, hurting people who loved her, real people in her life. But then she got clean, stayed clean. She started to really make changes and rebuild. She paid back all the old debts, tried her best to make amends, got in a program, apologized to everyone who would listen. Most of them, because of the way she acted, won't forgive her. They won't take her back. She said, "What else am I supposed to do?" My answer was simple. Maybe nothing. I hate to say that, but maybe there comes a point where accountability turns into punishment. Totally different things. Accountability says, I was wrong. I take responsibility. I hurt people I love. Punishment says, though, no matter what I do, I've got to keep suffering forever and ever and ever. That is so dangerous. One of the most dangerous places to live. Because if you spent years atoning, being sober, working on you, proving that you're a different person, and you're still waiting for someone else to tell you that you're worthy, you've handed your future to people who are never going to give you another chance. Sometimes. The truth is, sometimes people will forgive you, some won't. Some people need more time. That's fair. Some people are completely justified in never trusting you again. So if you're seeking sobriety, think about it. That is their choice. Your choice is whether you move forward or not. You do not build a better life so people are going to come back if you're doing that. You build a better life because that's who you want to be. You stay sober because you're sober. You tell the truth because you're honest and are tired of lying. You show up because you're dependable. Not because somebody is watching you. You're not in prison. Not because somebody is saving a scorecard. But because that is who you are now. You're different. Here's the hope. After you fix yourself, the people from your past are not the only people you're going to know. There's a lot of people that you haven't met. Friends and relationships that you haven't even met. Coworkers, neighbors, relationships, partners, communities, hell, sometimes even family you ain't met. People who only know the good person that you are, not the 10 years ago alcoholic, junkie, whatever you were. But if you keep doing the work, eventually, your future becomes bigger than your past. And that's when the real healing starts. If you're starting over like me, please type amends so I know you're doing it with me, and hit the follow or subscribe button so I can see you. Most people don't need more information. They need accountability. That's what I do. I'm an accountability coach. If you're serious about improving your life, your health, your relationships, your money, hit me with a DM here and maybe I can help you. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you on the next one.